Today we are going to install the new Turn Offroad Ford Bronco TC4 M1 adjustable tire carrier and camera mount. This kit fits the 2021 and newer Ford Bronco 2 and 4 door models. Installation time is 60+ minutes, depending on accessories. Can be installed by yourself with a difficulty level of beginner. You will need this list of tools to get the job done properly. So, gather all these tools, and let's start this installation. Begin by removing the spare tire and the factory tire carrier from the tailgate, as we have already done here. Before you begin this installation, you may or may not have Turn products installed on your Bronco, which are not covered in this video. Please refer to the RB1, M1, the RB1, LP1, and TC1, M1 installation guides on our website or YouTube channel for proper removal, modification, or installation involving the rear wire harness and other products. First, grab the main mounting plate and line it up with the mounting holes shown here. Install the 8 factory 15mm bolts by hand, and then tighten them down going corner to corner as shown. Next, grab the adjustable tire carrier mount and camera you removed from the factory carrier. Then, grab the supplied video cable extension, clip it onto the camera, run the cable through the camera mount tube, and seat the camera in place at the end of the mount. Now, grab the camera mounting cover, slide it over the camera as shown, and install the supplied 2mm Allen screws, and tighten them down. Next, grab the camera tire mount slide piece, and set it on top of the main mount as shown here. Then, align the slotted holes over the main mount holes and install the top bolt. Slide the top bolt into place, and flip the whole unit over to thread on the backing hardware, from the bottom side. Now, do the same with the outer 2 bolts, and thread on the backing hardware. Then, let's move to your spare tire. Using a board, straight edge, or something rigid, that can lay across the backside of the tire as shown, measure the distance from the backside of the center of the wheel to the bottom of the placed piece. Remember this measurement, and go back to the tire carrier. Now, this gives you the distance needed for your adjustable mount. Slide the mount in or out to match your measurement, outside to outside, as shown here. Once it is set to proper wheel depth, using an 18mm socket, and the same on the backing nut, tighten down each of the 3 bolts. Next, take the camera tire mount in one hand, and using your other hand, slide the video wire through the center of the main plate as shown. Then, with the mount aligned with either of the 3 positions on the plate, thread in the supplied 4 18mm bolts, finger tight. Now, tighten down the 4 bolts. Next, run the video cable behind the main plate, and do the same with the factory wire harness for the third brake light, and the Turn Off-Road license plate relocation bracket, if one is, or was installed. Now, grab the factory third brake light, and the 2 supplied extension rails as shown here. Then, using the factory T30 Torx bolts, install 2, on the rail as shown. Install the other 2 as you see here. Next, slide the extension arms in, and behind the main plate. Adjust for the height of the tire, and install the rails to the main mounting plate, using the supplied 3mm Allen bolts in these 2 locations, shown here. Once you have threaded them in by hand, go ahead and tighten them down. Your adjustable tire carrier should look like this one here. Next, finish hooking up, or running the wire harness. Snap in the rubber tailgate plug, and reconnect wires if needed. The adjustable tire carrier mount is shown here, mounted to the HD tailgate mount, used to hold up to 40-inch tires. Now, you are ready to mount your spare tire. Now, roll in your spare tire, lift and slide it into place on the 3 studs, and tighten it down. Check and see how everything lines up, and if you want to make adjustments to how high, and close, the tire sits on the body, as well as how all the components work together. Make the tweaks, tighten everything back down, and you are good to go. Congratulations, that completes your Turn Off-Road, adjustable tire carrier and camera mount installation. This tire carrier features an adjustable design that allows for aftermarket wheels with offsets ranging from plus 40mm to negative 40mm to sit tight against the tailgate, providing a surface for the spare tire to mate against. It also supports tires up to 40 inches, when paired with our TC3M1 tailgate reinforcement. The adjustable third brake light bracket ensures that your Bronco remains street legal, while the carrier's compatibility with the OEM backup camera allows for continued use of this convenient feature. The easy bolt-on installation process means you'll have your new tire carrier up and running in no time, and its compatibility with any rear bumper and our license plate relocation kit make it a versatile addition to any build. Until your next Turn product install, be safe out there. If you have any questions during your product installation, don't hesitate to contact us via phone or email. We are here to help.